workers, reliable equipment and supplies, referral systems that actually work when a life is on the line. And above all, it takes accountability across all stakeholders in the healthcare sector. The numbers tell us how urgent this is. Kenya's IWENE framework estimates maternal mortality at roughly 355 deaths per 100,000 lives births, with neonatal mortality around 21 per 1,000. But I want us to remember, those are not just numbers. Behind every single one is a mother, a newborn, a family that carries that loss forever, and a community that feels it too. So we cannot be satisfied with progress. We must insist on impact. As a goodwill ambassador for newborn screening in Kenya, I'm encouraged by what the Ministry of Health has already committed to. Under the IWENE Acceleration Plan 2026-2028, we are expanding maternal health care coverage through the Social Health Authority, investing in essential maternal newborn commodities, family planning supplies, recruiting and redeploying thousands more nurses and midwives. Today, we have heard what happens when promise becomes practice. We have heard about Pumwani Hospital that has had near zero maternal deaths. This has been through strengthened systems and relentless focus on quality care. We have heard about a maternity team in Kisii that went a full month without losing a mother. For that team, that is not statistic. That is a month of families going home together. And we will hear about Mwai Kibaki Referral Hospital, where more than 15,000 people have been reached in their communities for screening. 15,000 opportunities to detect disease before it becomes a tragedy. These stories tell us something important. The Kenya we want is not an impossible Kenya. We have already seen glimpses of it. Our task now is to make those glimpses the standard. Ladies and gentlemen, let us build a Kenya where a mother does not have to be wealthy to receive quality care, where a newborn's chance of survival is not determined by the county in which they are born, where a health worker is not sent into a crisis without the tools to respond, where a family does not have to choose between seeking treatment and putting food on the table, where quality health care is not something we promise our people, but something they experience. That is the Kenya we must build. That is what moving from promise to practice means, and that is the responsibility we carry together. Let us not be the generation that simply made promises, but be the generation that kept them. Okoa mama, okoa mtoto. Save the mother, save the child. Thank you. May God bless you all.